In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Google sites. Changing the background on your Google site is a simple way to make your pages feel more polished and on brand, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly through each part of the process so you can follow along on your own site. First, open your browser and go to your Google site in edit mode. You want to make sure you're not just viewing the published version. If you see the editing toolbar and options on the right-hand side, you're in the right place. If not, look for the option to open the site in edit mode from your Google Sites dashboard. Once your site is open, move your mouse over the section whose background you want to change. Sections are the horizontal blocks of content on your page, like a header area, a text block, or an image section. When you hover over a section, you'll see a small toolbar appear on the left side of that section. On this toolbar, look for the section Colors icon, which looks like a little palette. Click on that palette icon to open the background options for that specific section. Now, you'll see a small menu with choices. If you want to use an image as the background, click on the option labeled Image. From there, choose Upload to add an image from your computer. Pick a file that's clear and not too busy, so your text remains readable on top of it. After you upload, Google Sites may adjust the text color automatically to make sure there's enough contrast. If the image doesn't look quite right, you can always upload a different one or switch back to a solid style. If you don't want an image and prefer a clean, simple look, you can instead choose one of the preset styles in that same section Colors menu. These styles are usually based on your site's theme and are designed to work well with your existing text colors. Click through the different style options and watch how the background and text appearance change for that section. Choose the one that makes your content easiest to read. You can repeat these steps for any other section on your page. When you're happy with the results, remember to use the Publish button in the top right corner so your visitors see the updated backgrounds.